Hi, my name is Jerry Myron, the on-demand trainer at RectorSeal. I'm excited to show you these two point-of-purchase displays that will demonstrate two wireless solutions to detecting and protecting against water leaks, TripleGuard Smart and TripleGuard Active. Let me show you how these work. The TripleGuard Smart, whether it's for commercial or residential, it consists of two sensors, a hub, an actuator, and a ball valve. You activate the sensor by touching it to the copper post. An alarm sounds, sending a signal to the hub, and the hub sends a signal to the actuator, which shuts the ball valve, stopping the flow of water into the business. And finally, the hub sends a signal, an alert, to the phone or device that has the TripleGuard app. And demonstration is just as easy for the TripleGuard Active, a single product protection. For water heaters, for example, the battery-operated valve is mounted on the incoming water line, and the sensor is in the drain pan. You grab the sensor, activate it by touching the copper post for 5 seconds. An alarm will sound for 20 seconds while the valve is closing. From that point, it will beep once a minute until the valve is reset. And you reset the valve by manually turning the actuator's arm back to the open valve position. You'll see these on store shelves soon.